Hi guys, this is Julia and welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this festive Christmas look. This is how it looks like, this is the final look. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this makeup and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to forget the other makeup looks because I do them sometimes on the channel. And send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this makeup. I would like to see that, and I will leave the links to my Instagram and to my Pinterest. So let's go! I would like to moisturize my skin, so I'm gonna use the primer. I got 3 primers. They are hydrating, mattifying, and the glowy one, and I need to pick which one would be the best. I'm using the hydrating primer. I'm using the buttermilk glaze, and this one's from NYX in color soft glow, yeah, in color 02 vanilla bean butter, and this one has SPF 30, which is great. And I actually really like the glow that this skin tint gives you, because it doesn't look oily on your skin but still glowing, which is amazing. So that's what I'm using, and I'm just gonna put it on my skin like this. I'm gonna blend everything just with my fingers. Thing I'm gonna apply is the concealer. I'm applying that under my eyes. I'm applying a little bit of rosy blush to this area and to my nose as well, just because I want it to be like pink. I'm gonna make freckles with eyebrow pencil. This one's from NYX and it's called like micro brow pencil, and this one's in color, I don't remember its color, sorry. Yeah, in color 01 taupe. I'm gonna apply a little bit of highlighter. The highlighter is also in color rosy, and I'm gonna apply it over the freckles like right here. Right now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the same pencil I did the freckles. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows with this brush that I have in here with the eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna do my eye. First of all, I'm applying eyeshadow base to my eyelids. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadows. My mom got me this fantastic eyeshadow palette. This one's from Top Color. At least that's what it says. And no, this one is from Doodle Girl Top Color eyeshadow palette. Look at this, looks super festive, and I think it's gonna look very good for the Christmas. So that's what I'm gonna apply. And first of all, I'm applying this orange color to my crease to make like this shade. I'm applying pink eyeshadows to my eyelids. I'm applying these orange eyeshadows to under my eyes a little bit. I'm applying white eyeshadows to my eyelids as well, just to make this little accent, white accent. I'm applying a mascara to my eyelash. And I do my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna apply this matte gentle lipstick, and it's a little bit brown. And I'm gonna also apply a little bit of lip gloss on top, so I think it's gonna be good. Let's do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this makeup, and see you in the next video. Bye!